Let's make some chocolate crinkle cookies with Caroline cake mix. I'm using the chocolate cookie mix, so it's very easy to use. In a bowl, put your cake mix, your margarine, egg, and some water. Then get to mixing. So to make my work easier, I used my hands to get into there and mix it all up to form a dough. Then using a tablespoon, portion out the cookie dough into tiny balls. It should make about 20 cookies. So once you're done, dip them in some powdered sugar or icing sugar, and then we put them to bake. 10 minutes and we're done. So I'm serving mine with some glass of cold milk, and there are my cookies. Not as crinkly as I would like, but still equally delicious. The cookies are soft and fudgy on the inside. Yum. I challenge you to make your own cookies with the Caroline cookie mix and tag me.